Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So, just want to bring you guys a quick update. So, as y'all know, I think this is the STRC Willy bumper. I'm going to transfer over to the RC Speed Monsters bumper. As y'all know, I had the first prototype bumper. So, he did a couple mock-ups to it. And that's what we came out with. So, he also has another design. I meant to get that from him. I forgot to show y'all that as well. 2 slashes, woolly bars. This is the same. And he also came out with these. And then he had thicker ones that was a little bit more heavier than these. So I went with the lighter ones. You know, you could get those there. Also, one of these woolly bars, I will be doing a giveaway on that. I will try to get the other one from him. Jeff, if you're watching this, I'm going to get the other woolly bar from you, the other style, so I could they could pick which one they want, and then we'll go from there. But if y'all seen the video from the top 10 list, she did good. She took number 1. I got called out and moved back to number 2. But that only is going to make me get faster and improve, so that's great. I'm going to do these light little changes. I want to put this bumper on and put these on the rear tires. And then I'll bring it back to you guys and we'll see how it looks. So stay tuned. Also, I'll put a link up there or over there, one of them, for the video for the top 10 list in case nobody's seen it yet. Or if you're watching this video and haven't seen it, you go over there and watch it. But let's go ahead and get this upgraded. Also, I want to try to also get a set of these to give away. So I want to give away 2. You could choose which woolly bar you want from the 2 styles. I'll probably insert a picture. If not, I'll also do one of these for the giveaway. So you can pick this and that. Or I'll probably just give away both. Make it a pair. We'll see. All right, guys. Right, YouTube, we went ahead and put the rings on in the back. So, so far what I noticed with these, they are way lighter than these. I should have weighed them, but I would definitely do that in the next video. If y'all want to see that, let me know. But this is way lighter. These is way lighter than these, for sure. That I could tell you. So, that's how they look. They fit, they're a direct fit. They fit snug, as y'all can see. Fits right in the creases and everything. Made that look real good. I like that. I'm liking the finishing. You could also get these in a color if you wanted to have them powder coated. They do that as well. So, definitely get that done. Also, I'm loving the setup on the woolly bar. You can also, so what I was saying is you can also put these wheels, if you want them on the inside, or you can flip them and put them on the outside. However you want them, you can put them, but you can flop them around. So right now, I'm going to try them on the inside. Wheels spin nice. I'm going to try them on the inside, and then I'll try them on the outside. Right now, I think I like it on the inside. It'll keep my car more steadier. Loving the setup on it. Next step is to test it. My rear wheels should be lighter from taking out some weight, so that's a perfect thing. Definitely a perfect fit. This is nice. I really like this. I'm a plain kind of guy. Well, I'm not going to say plain, rough. Yeah, I'm plain. I'm a plain kind of guy. I ain't want to say rough, but I'm a plain kind of guy. So Jeff asks me if I want my stuff powder coated. And I don't want it. I like this kind of look. I like the finished look. So I'm going to leave it like that. And then we'll get out and test this out. And y'all stay tuned for more. She did good in the races. I'm happy about that. I got a lot. I want to do some more tuning to it. And I want to test these out. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll probably take it out and get some more pictures. Also, stay tuned for the Woolly Bar giveaway. I want to do this Woolly Bar, the other style Woolly Bar that he has, and a set of these. He has two kinds to where it's heavier. He has these, which is the lighter version, and then he has a heavier set. We'll get that video coming on that too. So and just to show y'all, this is how the Woolly Bar would look with the wheels out and the wheels in. So that's just to show y'all a little difference. See how it's more spaced out compared to how it's sitting in. I like the end look, so I'm gonna go with that. And y'all stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm gonna grab some more stuff from Jeff. If y'all don't know who he is, it's Jeff from RC Speed Masters. This is his card right here. Y'all go look him up. That's his number right here. You call him. He don't like the Texans, so you call him if you want something. He also customizing aluminum RC parts. Customized, baby. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more. Might take it out in this video. If not, stay tuned for another video of me testing the Woolly Bar and everything else. All right, guys.